All right, Klondikers. We're back at Family Farm, and let's complete this now. I think this is the last thing I have to gather. So I'll go for it. Hopefully that's it. Oh, that ain't working. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Excellent. All right. Let's get this and this. Still making this stuff. Okay, and still collecting these. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So we have a few things to gather here. Over here we have the Autumn Sweets special gift. So let's click it. Oh, nice. Ooh, I got some pickaxes for my partner. Excellent. Okay. And then let's see. Over here we have a pumpkin. Well, it's a champion pumpkin with a special gift. So let's collect that. Excellent. Yeah, this one here was quite the challenge. Took a lot of energy. And then again, I didn't have a lot of time. Okay, excellent. And then we have this here. This tree. Oops, sorry. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Awesome. Okay, then we have the barrel special gift. Fantastic. Yeah, it's the first time I've seen baby coal and baby clay. They're smaller than the others. Okay, over here we have a giant grape special. Awesome. Great. See the little coals in the clay? That's the first time I've ever seen that. Or else I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so we have everything here. We come down here, we have this tree, the guardian of the rock. Special gift. Let's see what we get. Excuse me. Okay. Great. And then we have this Wanderer's Wagon. Awesome. Okay. All right. Now we have to go around and collect the autumn baskets. Okay. And in this section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And there was one over here that I accidentally picked up earlier. Okay, so there's 5 in this section then. 1. Oh, okay. There's 2. Awesome. There's 3. 4. Okay, and like I said, over here was the 5th one. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this section. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems like 5 in each section. 1. Okay, here's 2. 3. 4, and 5. Awesome. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 of them in this section. There's 2. Here's 3, 4. And here's 5. Great. Okay, and I only seen one here. I don't see any others. So we'll get that. Oh, thank you. We got 2 special gifts in this family farm. Okay, we're good. Let's see. And I'm going to have to get more grapes in. I use more grapes and pumpkins by far in this. Okay, excellent. What's in here? Oh, okay. So I think that's it. Let's look. Yeah, okay, we just have the golden chess, or orange. Okay, There was a chest right back here that I accidentally picked up, and he's sitting right here. Okay, so let's pick these up. In this section, there was, let's see, there's I'm going to put these in storage. There's a barrel, there was a chest, and a chest. Excellent. Over here, there's a chest and 2 barrels. Oh, and another chest. Okay. And then here is a barrel, a chest, and a chest. And here, 2 barrels, 2 chests. Barrel, barrel, chest, and a chest. So let's look and see if we got it all. We sure did. Okay, the only thing is to pick up this. Well, there must be a lot there. Whoa, over 200. There it is. Okay, excellent. So now I'll meet you back at the home station and we'll open up the gifts. Okay, there's one last thing. These pigeon eggs. They work with the pigeons here. So I have 20 of them. I had 21 altogether. I think, no, there was more. Okay. We just click it. We got some wind. Okay, thanks developers. So I'll collect these later. Okay. So now, like I said, I'll meet you back at the home station, and we'll finish this by opening the gifts. Oh, man. I'm starting to collect a lot of these sodas. I wouldn't mind having a soda making factory. But who knows? Developers are really good to us. Make us work hard sometimes, but they're good. Excellent. Okay, so I'll meet you back at the home station. Okay, Klondikers. This here's a 25%, 50, 75, the 100, and the 2 special gifts. Okay, let's open up the 25. Thank you. I need blueberries right now. Okay. What are these things? Okay, here we go. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Here we go. That's a 75. Great. Woohoo. Got some trees. Some mountain ash, I think it is. Okay, and emeralds. And this is a 100. Awesome. Been a little under the weather as of late. I think I'm catching a cold. I'll have to take care of it before it happens. Awesome. go. Okay, here's the first special gift we got. Wonder what's in this. And there's my lovely ball. Clay, rock, coal, iron, trees, worms. Ooh, and emeralds. Nice. And here's the second special gift. There we go. Fantastic. Great. Okay. Now, let's go to the storage. I want to see this. This. Okay, construction materials. Alright, and what are these materials for? Oh, a building with awesome crafts. I like that. I got a soda machine, finally. Okay, and what's this here? Here's prizes. This is a multi-gift box. We'll set that out there with all the grapes. Okay. We got the mountain ash trees, 10 of them. Okay, I got that earlier. Let's see. You need construction materials. Okay, and then wow, we got a summer kitchen, which is nice. We have, where was it? A cozy dove coot. Okay. And let's see, anything else? Nope, I think that's it. Yep. So let's apply it. Thank you. Okay, we have a day left before we can open it. This here. Quartz sand, which I always need. Blueberries, which I need. I only have 70 of them. I got some chocolate. Sun idle energy. Okay. Pieces of sun. Man, that's dangerous stuff. A hanging feeder. I've never used one yet. Okay. Pocket singularity. Lucky coin. Rechargeable dynamite. All right. Okay. Now they said, so we have this done. We have this one is all finished, so summer kitchen can go to storage. I'll make sure because I have missed in the past. All zeros. Excellent. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna take this, dismantle it. Okay. Thank you. And then this soda machine. Ice. Have a lot of ice. Okay. Thank you. Always need energy. this is so nice. These 11 of them now. Wow. Okay. So we're going to take this and dismantle it. Awesome. See, and I still have the soda machine. Right there it is. But now it's just a decoration. Okay, and this here is a multi-gift box, 10 times. And this we have to wait on. I'm sorry I was late, but I had some things going this weekend and I couldn't play at all. And then Monday was a bad day for me. Okay, so we got everything done. Thank you guys. I'll see you this Thursday in the next one. I really appreciate you guys. So, see you then.